Alright, so in this video I'll show you how to pay USCIS fees online in 2026. If you're submitting an application or request, paying the fee correctly is very important. Yeah, so let's go step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official website of the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. Make sure you are using the official site to avoid payment issues or scams. Now sign in to your USCIS online account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it before making any payment. Once you're logged in, go to your dashboard and open the application or form you are working on. This is where the payment option will appear. Next, look for the Pay Fee or Submit Payment button and click on it. Now choose your payment method. USCIS usually accepts options like debit card, credit card, or bank transfer depending on the form. After that, carefully enter your payment details. Double-check everything like card number, expiration date, and billing address to avoid errors. Now review the total fee amount shown on the screen. Make sure it matches your application requirements before continuing. Once everything is correct, click Submit Payment. The system will process your transaction, and it may take a few seconds to complete. After successful payment, you will receive a confirmation receipt. Make sure to download or save it for your records. And that's it. Your USCIS fee has been paid successfully online, and your application can now move forward. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple guides like this. I'll see you in the next one.